Guys, punta kami ngayon sa Merlion. Whatever it's called, punta kami dun ngayon. Guys, fit check. And then guys, yun yung Merlion. Damn, it's packed. You can see how beautiful Singapore is. Ayun na, yun yung Marina Bay. And yeah, it's very beautiful, it's very modern. I love the infrastructure. Infrastructure, ano daw? So yan guys, it just looks cool. Okay, yo! Ganda guys. Yo guys! Hey, yo! Tapos tayo mag-take ng flicks. So guys, Friday pa lang. Lapasat.
Isang vegetable.
So kami kakain sa Tech Night. Wow.
Akin ba to? Oh. Biggest na mo?
So guys, punta muna tayo sa Pull and Bear. I saw this sa TikTok and like, oh my god, bro. Ang daming mga ganda, what the freak. Look what I fucking found, yo. Hey, yo, why is it so fucking fire? Yo, oh damn. You already know how we styling this shit for like $80. Damn. Yo, I feel like Kanye right now, bro. Oh my god, sentimental piece. Oh wow.
Resorts World Station, Singapore's only first integrated.
Yo guys, punta tayo ngayon sa S.E.A Aquarium. Let's go. Guys, pasok na kami sa S.E.A Aquarium. Guys, bibili tayo sa gitna. $1 ice cream. $1 ice cream. Wow. Kissing cream. Thank you. Yummy. Wow. Yo guys, nasa loob kami na. Second floor kami ngayon ng bus. Dito lang ako sa So guys, we finally made it to Wingstop. God damn. Makakatry din ng Wingstop. Let's go. Wow. 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 guys, we are on top of
Osaka Tower. Alright, one last vial left.
Marina Bay Sands. Wow. We are now currently on top of Marina Bay Sands. Wow. It's crazy. Sana all, guys. Sweet nila. At this point of the video, I'm just reminiscing about Singapore and its beauty. I really love Singapore. I think it's my comfort country. I don't know. The food is amazing. The infrastructure is amazing. Everything. It's like an advanced Philippines. It's like what Philippines should have been. And I just love spending every minute of my time in this country, and I really appreciate my girlfriend's family for including me. Yeah, that's all.
Kita mamaya pag tawa ka si Daddy. Pag uwi mo.
Next stop, Resorts Station, Singapore.
Guys, nasa Universal Studios na kami. You already know, we got the famous globe. So yeah, we're gonna go in. Ang daming tao, guys. It's like 10 something or 11 something in the morning. Okay guys, we are now inside Universal Studios. I have
finished human riding human. Wow, it was a fun experience. Tanong niyo sa kanya guys dahil kilala niya ako.
Ayun guys, paalis na kami. Ayun, they are under construction. It's their closing time na. So, yeah. Thank you so much, Singapore and Universal Studios. Yeah. Guys, last day na namin. Uwi na kami mamaya, madaling araw. Na baby. Baby, no. Kaya tayo. We had fun guys, sobra. Picking up some beef. Beef tuloy, cheng yam. Crazy it's mad expensive. Guys, nasa Jollibee. Nasa Jollibee tayo ngayon. Hey kabayan. Hey kabayan. Sa Jollibee kami ngayon. Pero yung ano, yung sabi mo kay mama magja-Jollibee ka lang, pero hindi mo alam, hindi mo sinabi kung saan. Yeah guys, we're gonna eat Jollibee. Yay.
Wala sila nung ano.
2,000 years later.
Ayan guys, nasa Luge kami ngayon. Or, I don't know, pero yan my race card. So we're finna race and let's see. Yo, got the drip check. Yeah. Let's go. Go guys. Yes sir. Yes sir. Got the helmet. Yan. Pila na guys. Dami sa taas. We finna race. We finna go Dom Toretto in this bitch. Hey. Yeah, let's go, cuz. We on some. Lagi sa may mahulog ka, baby. Ayo, we out here. We fucking out here, man. Damn, boy. We on top of the world, cuz. Already know.
Go there.
Okay guys, we are heading off. Punta na kami sa hotel. Goodbye, Singapore. Baby, tumingin ka. Tumingin sa ilong mo. Nakalabas na siya, naka-zoom out. Oh my God.
Aswang. It's a...
Yun guys, uuwi na kami. Hintayin lang namin yung flight namin. Ayun. It was a fun weekend, to be honest. A very fun weekend. Sobrang nasulit. Yun guys, and I recommend Singapore kasi napakalinis, disiplinado ng mga tao.
Pakulay na kita.
Most people, actually all of them, are pretty chill so far. Wala pa naman kami na-encounter na
Karen.
Karen.
But you have to get this one.
You have to get this one because they stanky as fuck. Pero hindi naman lagi, pero like
Kahit umaga pa lang.
hindi naman lahat ng Indians, pero it's just specific ones. They say na they are masculine kapag may ganon. Guys, may sinasabi tong isa. Ano sabi mo?
Give me.
Gusto niya daw yung kamay ni Suko na.
Daliri.
Ay, daliri pala, my bad. Bigay natin yung kamay. Bigay natin yung 20 fingers ni Suko na kay... Sino ba? Si Yuji ba to? Si Mount Fuji.
GU.
Mount Fuji. Bilis siya. Okay, Bilis. Bilis mo yan,
Going to happen.
So yun guys, our last itinerary is libutin ang Changi Airport. Kasi wala ganong time nung una. And since marami kaming vacant time ngayon, might as well dito na lang ipundar yun. Ayun. Yeah. Mansion. You ain't that rich, boy. Sarap guys. Eat well. Happy New Year everyone! Happy New Year! So guys, bibilan lang natin yung papa ko, ay parents ko ng garrets. Bilan tayo guys. It's a famous popcorn here in the Philippines, so it's a must get, to be honest. So yeah, we just bought some garrets. That's how they make it. So guys, nasa ano na kami, boarding na. And ayan, kung umabot kayo sa parte ng video na to, thank you for sa pagsama sa akin sa Singapore. Hindi, I mean, nakita na yung yung journey ko sa Singapore. Mga recreational shit. Yun lang guys.
May we request all guests to stow your hand luggage properly under the seat or in the storage room.